Greetings, digitally enhanced technophiles, and welcome to another edition of Balderdash. Each week we take a product from the leading edge of technology and we throw it under a magnifying glass. We're going to show you what's hot and what's not. We're going to show you what's hip and what's a jip. We're going to show you what's ripe and what's hype. Now today's program is about silicon, and I'm not talking Hollywood starlet, I'm talking programmable logic. So join us tonight for another edition of Balderdash. We're back. Please welcome to the show the latest revision of Mr. Loren Lacey. He works at Xilinx as an integrated solutions program manager, and he's going to tell us all about ICE. So help me bring Loren on, the Iceman cometh. Welcome.
Thank you, Richard.
Loren Lacey. Have a seat. That's a very lyrical name, Loren Lacey.
Yes.
Is that like a stage name? Are you in the witness protection program, or?
Alliteration is what I was after.
Well, excellent. Welcome to Balderdash.
Thanks for having me here.
So it sounds like ICE is quite a performer. I guess ICE screams, huh?
Foundation Series ISE is derived from our ever-popular Foundation Series tools. And ISE, or ICE, stands for Integrated Synthesis Environment. And that's the nickname that we've given to ICE because it's a complete design environment that has been built from the ground up and contains two synthesis tools. It allows designers to create a design quickly and easily, to get the design to spec, and to have a successful design implementation and get your design to market on time.
So, besides bartenders and hockey players, who should use ICE?
Well, there are really two products that we're talking about today. The original Foundation Series product and Foundation ICE. The original Foundation Series was originally developed as a powerful schematic design entry tool and later had the mixed mode capabilities added to that tool. So for users who are doing schematic entry designs, that's really the best optimized, the Foundation Series is best optimized for their design needs. However, on the other hand, if you are doing mixed mode designs, that is a top-level block diagram with underlying HDL modules, or a HDL design with schematic modules, many people find Foundation ICE as a better product. And the reason for that is ICE is a native HDL product. And so for people who are doing mostly HDL designs, they will benefit the most from Foundation ICE.
Interesting ICE flow. So I understand you got a clip for us, right?
Yes, I do.
Cool, and can you kind of set it up?
Well, it's about ICE.
It's about ICE. Great. You astound me. Okay, good. Like making it? Okay. All right. Well, can we get that rolling? Okay, good.
So what you see here, Richard, is the Project Navigator, the main front-end GUI to Foundation ICE. Now, once they've created the project, they need to add the HDL source files to the project. After they've added the files, the hierarchy is automatically parsed and displayed in the left-hand pane. We also have a language assistant which provides new users with snippets of HDL code. They can be dragged and dropped into the text file, creating just the HDL functionality you need. As the design's being implemented, you'll see the status indicators showing which design steps have been completed. When a user sees a red X, he selects the error message that's displayed in the console, right-clicks, and is able to go directly to our live answers database on support.xilinx.com. You can solve your own problems 24 hours a day. If we want to create a VHDL or Verilog test bench, all we do is simply select the file and open HDL Bencher. HDL Bencher automatically looks at the inputs and outputs and displays them in the graphical form. The advantage of adding an HDL test bench to your project is that you can have a self-checking HDL simulation. To begin simulating the test bench, you select it and click on the Simulate Test Bench icon. Automatically invokes the integration with the ModelSim simulator and begins simulating your test bench. That's a quick look at the Foundation ICE product.
Cool. Okay, that looks great for HDL, but seems to me a lot of schematics designers are kind of getting lost in the dust on this product.
Foundation ICE already contains a very powerful schematic tool. The schematic tool ECS has been in use in the EDA community since the mid-1980s. The piece that really needs to be improved, and what Xilinx will be improving over the next couple releases, is the integration between the schematic capture tool and the simulator. So for people who are really comfortable with debugging a design using the HDL simulator, the Foundation Series ICE tools already provide a very powerful solution.
So let me see if I understand. As a schematics designer, I can use either environment?
Well, technically, yes. However, there's another issue that you really should consider, and that's the issue of schematic conversion. Right now, there is no automated 100% way to convert an original Foundation Series schematic into an ISE schematic source. So if you're going to continue to update an existing Foundation Series design, then you should stick with the Foundation Series tools. If you're going to start a new design, you should start that with ICE.
Okay, so I think I'm starting to get a grip on it. I think I'm going to take a look at our viewer email and see if they've got some questions for you. Yep, we've got one from William Rant of Fargo, North Dakota. He wants to know, is there any way for me to use an old Foundation schematic in the new ICE environment?
Absolutely. Foundation schematics can be exported as HDL structural netlists. Because they're HDL, they're easily incorporated into the ISE environment. So users can take IP and reuse designs that are currently in the Foundation Series, the original Foundation Series, and import them into the new ISE environment.
Great. So are there upgrade paths for existing Foundation customers?
Yes, Richard, there are several options for upgrading your Foundation Series tools. The best thing to do is talk to your Xilinx sales rep. The other thing you can do is visit our website at www.xilinx.com.
Excellent. Great. Well, good luck on your ice-capades.
Thank you.
Sounds like a good project and a good product. Well, that's going to just about do it for today. Don't forget to join us next time for the start of our three-part series on Rogaine. And until then, may all your uplinks be T1s, and remember, we only think we know everything. Have a good night. Thanks again.